Hello everyone, my name is Rachita Mathur, currently working as a legal intern at LEXCLIQ. So today I will be discussing NHRC opinion for the protection of rights of children. So, NHRC has issued an advisory to several union minister states and union territories for the protection of rights of children in a view of the impact of COVID-19 pandemic on them and the anticipation of the third wave. In a statement, NHRC has also called for greater preparedness by all the stakeholders in anticipation of the third wave. NHRC has also issued an advisory for the protection of rights of children in context to COVID-19 pandemic. It has issued keeping in view the continuing impact of pandemic on children and the expert apprehensions about the third wave hitting them hard. It further states that it is the fifth advisory as a part of series of advisories that the Commission has issued in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic. The Commission, in a letter through its General Secretaries to the Secretaries of the Union Ministers and Department concerned and Chief Secretaries of States and Administrations of Union Territories, has asked for the implementation of its recommendation in the advisory, and action should be sought out within 4 weeks. The union ministers and the departments, which include Ministry of Women and Child Development, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Department of School Education, Literacy and Department of Food Distribution, the statement said. The report from various authorities is expected to include the specific measures that should be undertaken to safeguard the rights of children in a view of conditions that should be imposed by the pandemic. The advisory has focused mainly on 4 key areas, that is health, education, childcare institutions, and for this child orphanage during pandemic. The statement further states that some of the important recommendations include strengthening of COVID hospitals and protocols. All hospitals should prominently display the contact information like Childline, local child care community, district child protection unit, local police. It further states that ministries and departments at the center and state level should also set up a page pertaining to COVID-19 on their website immediately and prominently to share all the important circulars and orders related to safeguarding child's right during the pandemic. On recommendation, it further includes that they should take all the necessary steps to ensure that children do not drop out of the schools due to these circumstances. Forcing them to enter into child labor, child marriage, or fall prey to mishaps such as trafficking. Also, in case of death of both the parents where family or kinship care is not available and the child is found orphanage without any support, it should ensure that child is immediately produced before CWC for immediate rehabilitation of all such children as per law is further states. At the end, I want to conclude that the main motto of this advisory, which according to me, which I understood, that advisory has mainly focused on 4 key areas, that is health, education, childcare institution and children orphanage during pandemic. Thank you.